Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to make a survey using Google Forms. Why I have decided to make a survey using Google Forms? Because nowadays we're now in this pandemic and we're now in the phase of online learning. So instead of printing surveys, we're now going to disseminate the surveys online to each of the respondents. Okay. So why I prefer Google Forms over printing surveys? Because it is costless, or let's say you don't have to spend anything to print your modules and to ride a tricycle or taxi just to meet your respondents. So no need. So, and besides, you don't need to meet each other personally. So all you have to do is to send the link of your survey online through your chat media. Okay. So here, this is the name of your study, the title of your study. So this is where you're going to introduce yourself. You're going to tell your purpose and the purpose of the study as well. And you have to notify each of the respondents that the data and information gathered shall be dealt with strict confidentiality, since we have to obey the Data Privacy Act. And here, you have to take each of the respondents, because you're the one who's asking favor from them. Okay, so your time and effort is highly appreciated. Thank you and God bless. So here, okay, you have to write the name of the respondent. So you have to place this part, even the age. However, you have other options such as multiple choice and checkbox. Okay, so it's up to you if you're going to prepare a choice wherein you have to click your age range, kung saan yung age mo. Then your gender is pwede multiple choice, pwede checkbox. So this is an example of a dichotomous question because this has only two choices. While in your grade level, okay, so dapat multiple choice siya because your multiple choice should contain 3 or more choices. In your email address, go to short answer. If you want them to be required to answer, go to this. But if you don't want them to require, okay, so click this. But you have to click this, so you'll be requiring them to answer. Okay, if you want to add more section, click add more section, so you'll have another page. Okay, but if you want to delete a section, okay, so click delete section. Okay, you don't want unnecessary sections. Oops, delete section again. Delete section. Ay, by the way pala, if you want to merge with section, merge with above. Okay? So here, so in this second section, okay, so this is the name of your survey. Then you have to tell the directions. Okay, so in each part, okay, so here are questions. Okay, so this is one of the attitudes on proofs of the 21st century learner. So in each column, we have to write strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. Then type rate, so the students will be able to rate. Okay, then do the same thing as you did on the first attitude. So strongly disagree, then agree, disagree. So, bale, paulit-ulit siya. Then, okay, so 3 pala is neutral. Okay, so here, your number 4 is agree. Here, this is strongly agree. So you're going to do the same thing. So to avoid wasting time, okay, so why can't you just copy paste na lang, then do the same thing. If you want to add one more question, click the add question. Then if you want a third question here, if you don't want to waste your time making your survey, why don't you just copy paste? But if you want a multiple choice, click it here. Then if you want a row and column, click multiple choice rate. So here, rate, then here, what you're going to do is copy paste here. So 1 is strongly disagree, while 2 is disagree, while 3 is neutral, while 4 is agree, then 5 is strongly agree. So you're just going to do it repeatedly. So paulit-ulit siya. Okay. So tada, okay. If you are done, okay, so you can get out of this Google Forms. But if you want to see it as a survey, you can change it as a different user. Okay, so here, okay, so let me type Audric. My age is 29. Then click mail. Let's say I am grade 12. Then my email is audriccuriousd at gmail.com. Okay, so go to next. So this is where you're going to place your tick mark. So for example, I agree that I learned. So, bahala kayo dito kung kayo mamimili. So, click submit. Then here, since you're done, okay. So, that's all for today. So, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. So, thank you and God bless you. Happy 2021 and happy learning.